Ever wonder if a goat's future is set the moment it's conceived? I used to think so, but the more I've learned about epigenetics, the more I realize what happens in early life can literally rewrite the script for health and performance, all without changing a single letter of DNA. Epigenetics is like the dimmer switch to our genetic light bulb. It's all about chemical marks. Think of them as little tags that turn genes on or off. And goats? They're living proof that the environment, especially during pregnancy and right after birth, can flip these switches for life. Let's break it down with a real-world example. A pregnant goat or doe that doesn't get enough nutrients. Her growing baby isn't just hungry, it's adapting. Its body tweaks hormone settings, shifts muscle growth, even alters which genes are active, all to survive on less. That means kids born from underfed mothers might have more slow-twitch muscle, better for endurance, not for fast growth. It's as if they're training for a marathon, not a sprint. These changes? They're locked in by epigenetic marks, tiny chemical signatures on their DNA. But it's not just food. Stress, heat, and even the season of birth can leave their own epigenetic fingerprints. If a doe is panting in a heat wave during late pregnancy, her kids might be born with stress hormone systems set to high alert. Sometimes, that's helpful. Maybe they handle heat better, but too much, and you get stunted growth or a nervous animal. And get this, the first few hours and days after birth are just as crucial. Colostrum, the goat's first milk, isn't just food. It's packed with microRNAs and nutrients that help set the stage for a kid's immune system and gut health. If a newborn misses out, it might not just get sick now, it could wrestle with poor immunity for life, thanks to those early epigenetic signals. Here's a wild thought. Some of these marks can even be passed to the next generation. So if a buck or doe went through a major drought or stress, their grandkids might still carry echoes of that in their gene expression. So what does all this mean for anyone raising goats? Feed your pregnant does well, especially in the last trimester, with not just calories but key micronutrients like folate and selenium. Avoid big stresses. Don't move them. Don't crowd them. Don't let them overheat. After birth, make sure kids get colostrum fast and keep their nutrition steady for those first 8 weeks. The bottom line? Epigenetics proves that early care isn't just about bigger kids or faster growth, it's about programming health, resilience, and performance at the cellular level. When you give goats the right start, you're not just raising animals, you're shaping their destiny. And in my book, that's the real power of good management.